Well, just a quick update on the tiny house build. It's been a while since I've posted anything on the tiny house. Seems like there wasn't a whole lot of interest in it, but there are people that are interested, and so for them, and also family members that live away from us, a good distance, keeps everybody apprised. So we have been doing a little work on it, but lately we've been collecting some materials. And so far, well, let me show you what we've got. We put those ceiling rafters in place in the bathroom, and once we get the ceiling rafters in, I have a piece of OSB up there. Provides a little bit of a storage loft over the bathroom or the head. And we've gone around and we've been putting in these electrical boxes for switches and receptacles. And they're all over the place. There's another one there. So we've got that done, and then you can see this whole place is full. This small scaffolding piece we picked up because the larger scaffolding we had when we were building the main part of the tiny house is just too big, and this is smaller, so I can still get into the tight places where I need it. And so that'll come in handy. And this is made by the same company that built the larger scaffolding I have. It's Metal Tech. And so we got that. And here's the condenser for the heat pump that's going in. Mr. Cool, it's a DIY system. That's about 12,000 BTU, which is more than ample. We only need about half that. So full heating and cooling, and these are all the components that go to it, the plenum and hoses and things and bits and pieces. So we've got all that. An immediate to-do list up on the wall, and we've got a couple of the windows open, get a little airflow in here. So this is where we're at now. So before I can install the heat pump, what I have to do is I have to mount the condenser, and it's going to go right here below the window in the front, but I can't put that on until I have the mounting brackets, which are still on order. They should arrive probably tomorrow, I think, or the next day, but even then I have to wait till I get some siding, and for a while it was up in the air. We didn't know if there was going to be vinyl or shingles, or we don't know. I don't know. But anyway, my wife and daughter thought about it. My daughter finally made the decision to go with the steel siding, similar to the roofing material, just a different color, and it'll be applied vertically. And I have to put that on first before I start drilling holes in the wall, you know, for the heat pump and bathroom vent and things like that. So the heat pump installation is on hold until I get some siding. The siding will be ordered from this Amish company that produces steel siding products and roofing, and they're about 2.5 hours away, but they're about a third of the price of everybody else that sells metal siding and roofing products. So we'll give them a call and order what we need, and I don't think we can afford to do the whole thing right away, so I'm just going to order what I need to get the front of the trailer covered, the corners and a little bit on the sides, and that way there I can go ahead and mount the heat pump and electrical boxes and things like that. An electrical junction box on the outside, and I also have all the electrical equipment for the inside too. We bought a bunch of wire, Romex. We have a breaker panel and a number of things like that. So that's what we're doing. Well, that's it for the quick update. I'll have more for you later. We have other ongoing projects. If you watch the video on the mud kitchens, they were done on time. They went to the WHRL both silent auction and raffle during Millbridge days. It was last week sometime, and a little over a week ago. Yeah, little over a week. And anyway, they both did very, very well. There was a lot of interest in it. Brought in a lot of money for WHRL to help fund their programs. So I'm very happy that that went okay. So, okay, onwards and upwards. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. See you later.